Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord no route or RTC connecting error. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord settings and make sure your input and output devices are set correctly. If everything looks good but it's still not working, open the debugging tab. Click Reset Voice Settings. Click OK and see if that fixes it. Now open Task Manager. Find Discord in the list, right-click it, and click End Task. Then go to the Details tab, find discord.exe, right-click it again, and choose End Process Tree. Also, check the System tray, bottom right-click on Discord if it's there, and quit. Next, search for CMD, right-click it, and run as administrator. Type in ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. If you're using a VPN, search for VPN settings in the Start menu. Open it and disable any active VPN connections. Sometimes VPNs block Discord's voice servers. After completing all the methods, restart your computer. Now, Discord should connect without any issues. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.